No, Zulu cultures. I was using my father's surname. I was not supposed to use it, so that's why I changed it.
What was the name you now use it?
Molly, my mother.
In terms of the game against Chiefs, you're obviously playing an away game at what's your expectations of facing Chiefs this early in the season?
Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi if i-Chiefs ke yawina ama-supporters azobe emaningi egrawundini afuna ukuyibona iwina futhi so angicabanga ukuthi kumele sifike under pressure kumele sifokhase kwi-game plan yethu sikwazi ukumanage igame sizame ukuthi silokhuzane capitalize amathuba esiwatholayo.
Yeah, what can you say about just the new Golden Arrows under Coach Utlati?
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi awukho ukuthela okushintshile sanesikhathi esincane naye sheshe siphuzile ukuvula ku-pre-season so sibe no-4 weeks but ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuhambe ngesikhathi sojwayela njengoba umbona kwami umuntu ufuna abadlali babe ne-freedom bakwazi ukuthi bayi-enjoy khona bezokwazi ukwenza into right.
Does it make it easier ukuthi he was just next door and he was a KZN culture and obviously might have coached a different club but he understands you guys and I think at some point or another he's worked in the Golden Arrow structure as well as he knew Coach Manyoba well as well.
Akulula ukusoka amakhilana ungena ngala yabo. So ngicabanga ukuthi befocus kakhulu ukuthina la season since abeke-Durban City. But njengomuntu osehlala isikhathi eside KZN ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyayazi indlela ama-teams adlala ngakhona and some of the players useka wakhosha before. So kuyeke kuwumsebenzi olula. It's just that nje akwazi ukuthi asitshele indlela afuna ukudlala ngayo then sokwazi ukuthi simsebenzele kahle.
In terms of the squad, there's been a lot of changes as well, not just the technical team. Are you confident that you guys can have another good season despite, all some of your top players going? Also, uncertainty around Dion as well.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ikhona team isaphelele mhlawumbe 1 or 2 3 players ohambile so even last season isinawo ama-backup so awukho ukuthini esikulindele just that ukuthi abantu bahloniphe ucoach just the way behlonipha ngawo ucoach Manqoba so yonke into izoba lula.
Golden Arrows is a team that is known for giving young players opportunities in the PSL. I mean, also you when you started you were a youngster. What is the role that you now as a senior player that you are playing to guide the younger ones to make sure that they stay on the right track and give the team the results in it?
Ukuqala nje batshela about i-culture club indlela esidlala ngayo and most yabo ephuma NFD and SAB so kuzoba nzima kubona first look like against Chiefs it's not easy FNB so kumele ngizame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngibakhamise down ngibatshele ukuthi abangefike under pressure so abaye lapha bayodlala igame okuyi nokunye amaphutha enzakalayo so alungise ngendlela.
But the way you've been at Arrows for some time now and the Arrows has always been being as abadlali chance wathi yini wena ekugcinile khona uhlala khona you had a lot of good offers in the past kodwa awafuna ukuguqa
hayi ama-offer ngeke ngikwazi ukudlula yona akikho sure ngayo but yeah I think ukuyimisela kwami nokuhlonipha wonke umuntu ofika eklabhini abo-coach kit manager wonke umuntu ikona okungisiza kakhulu nokuthi phela vele iklabhu yaselokishini yonke into ngathini yonke into esidingayo iseduze kwethu unlike mhlawumbe ubudlala away kude nasekhaya ugcina ukukhumbula ekhaya ngayo yonke leyo nto nokuyinakekela nje.
Umdlali ofana noSquishy umdlalo okhule phambi kwakho uma ethola lokho ukuthi ayitholayo ungathini futhi ungathi umdlali onjani nje into esheshe ukuthi ilevel yakhe ifika nayo?
Uyafundiseka kalula nezinto omtshela zona and umuntu obuzayo ukuthi yini engamsiza ukuze aphumelele because ngaphumela esinye isikhathi acomplain athi ama-defender siyamaka and kwamele singenelele-ke lapho semtshela ukuthi phela bese ukanje wenza ukuthi nokuthi but uyi-fast learner ngiyacabanga ukuthi lapha ku-Sundowns uzoshesha kwazi ukutshela namajita.
Akutshele ngeposition yakhe. Sometimes abantu yabadida yiphi iposition la amnandi khona.
1v1 zokuqeda ukuthi phela ucoach uManqoba bemsebenzisa as i-10 because of befuna imobility yakhe no-break ama-lines.
We read a lot into the opening games of the two teams in this challenge. You guys, through your opening game, Chiefs played against the new boys of the Betway Premiership, beating them 3-1.
First games anakho ukuba na because wonke umuntu usesafuna igame yokuqala so ngakajeli kahle, but second game usukubona amajita pick up. But for i-Chiefs ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzoza kuthina ine confidence enkulu after ukuthi ithole 3 points. Thina lapho nalapho ngeke sisho ukuthi it was bad, but yeah, mhlawumbe besingayiwini igame if besingakwazi ukuconvince ama-chances and nanesikhathi abasinikeza sona sokuphumula ngicabanga ukuthi amajita azobe fresh azokwazi ukwenza into right.
Because the final of the Arrows.
Angazi baba. Angazi. Hayi bo. Ikhona i-management. Bengithi isikhundla yini.